this is the building. Yan yung BGMP na ginawa malapit dito sa house. Ayan lang sa likod ng Project 8. Quezon City Road 20, Fulberham, Dakalang Lokbo. Actually, nasa bahay ako. Ayun, kabilang lunchonist pa. Oh my gosh, what the hell is that again? Aray ko. Para ako nagbe-virginan. Ang sakit ang aking mga brazo. What's going over here? Oh my gosh. Aakyat pa ako dun sa tore. Kailangan ko makuha yung marami na yun kasi you know what? It's very yellow and over there. Tingnan mo yung kamay ko. Kung gusto mo mabuhay, gagawa ka ng paraan talaga. Oh my gosh. It's very terrifying. I'm going to climbing here. I'm going to lunchonist para kunin ang lunchonist na yan. For, aakyatin ko siya sa taas for editing lesson carefully because it's very hard. Actually, sa tapat siya ng bahay. Sa house. Okay, let's go. I gotta back the camera now. I'm going to... It's going to the crazy now. Oh God. Jesus Christ. Oh, this is so beautiful to do together. I did a better to the fruit and Asia. What's going now? You know, kung magnanakaw ka talaga, magaling ka umakyat. Magnanakaw ka lang. Magnanakaw dyan. Something crazy here. Aking lalagyan. It's very hard today. Yeah. Ang sakit ng aking kamay. Pag ako nalaglag, sigurado patay ako mamaya. So, goodbye world. So very rich. And this. Alam mo, kunti na lang to kasi binawasan ko na to kasi napakadami. Tsaka hindi ko kaya siyang ubusin. Ang ginagawa ko, inaaraw-araw ko siya kinakain. Right.